We are living in such uncertain times, aren't we? Do you ever feel like you're no longer in control? Do you ever worry about all aspects of your health? If so, you're not alone. Join us this November 14th to 18th for our virtual wellness seminar, where several health professionals and educators will touch upon subjects that will help you stay healthy. You will gain an understanding of the basic health laws such as nutrition, water, rest, sunshine, and fresh air. Learn how to overcome fear and anxiety, how to strengthen your relationships with others, make your own natural products, and see how to apply natural and herbal remedies. Enjoy dynamic workouts with our professional fitness trainers. Obtain knowledge on how to detox after getting the jab, and learn the benefits of essential oils. As the holidays are approaching, try new and healthier entrees and desserts. Ride along our culinary experts. But above all, recognize that all the knowledge in the world is not enough without trusting in God. We look forward to getting to know you Sunday, November 14th through Thursday, November 18th.